Apple's iOS 26 adds built-in call screening. Unknown callers are asked to state who they are and why they're calling. The iPhone transcribes that reason so the person can decide to answer or not. For contact centers, that's either a dead end or a fast lane. Today, we're taking the fast lane. Here's the thing, people don't ignore you, they ignore the unknown. Spam and fraud turn the phone into a minefield. In April 2025 alone, Americans were hit with nearly 5 billion robocalls. Global reports show roughly a third of unknown calls are unwanted. So when iOS politely asks, "Who is this? What do you want?" That's not the problem. That's the customer finally getting a bouncer. In iOS 26, you've got maybe 10 seconds before the customer chooses. That opening is your entire ad budget. Use it. Use 3 seconds for your identity. "Hi, it's Maya with River City Utilities." 3 seconds for context. "Yesterday's outage at your address." And 3 seconds for value. Credit already applied. Need 15 seconds to confirm. Not legal disclaimers, IVR voices, or vague corporate speak. If you've got a good opener, help out others who need an example and put it down in the comments. Okay, so fix the opener, but also make sure carriers see your call is legitimate so it doesn't show up as spam risk. Let's see if you'll pass the spam test. Do you have a signed caller ID? Stir shaken? If your provider, like Nextiva, signs calls with stir shaken and the number is registered to your business, you're more likely to pass carrier filters. Do you study numbers? Avoid constantly switching outbound numbers to beat spam detection. Carriers don't like it. Name and reason attached. That's rich call data. Brand. Shown where allowed. Turn on brand calling. Pass that test and networks will stop side-eyeing you. Now, how do we make customers expect your call? Use Apple Messages for Business to let customers book a safe window. Confirm the exact number you'll use and switch to chat if they'd rather type. While we're at it, let's also talk about iOS 26 Hold Assist. It allows customers to put the phone down while your queue holds their place and get notified and pop back in when a live agent picks up. Train for that reconnection beat. "Hi, thanks for waiting. I'll pause 3 seconds so your phone can reconnect." Great. Still with me? You know where you say hello and then the person on the other end says hello and then you say hello again and then they say hello again and then it just keeps going like that? You can prevent that with what we just talked about. And it respects the customer's new reality. iOS 26 won't kill voice, but it will demand smarter business practices. Need more help? Reach out to Nextiva or stick around till the end of this video for a link with more tips to boost your outbound dialing. Subscribe for more fun, smart ways to level up your customer experience.